I'm going to show you how to process passion fruit for storage. So if you do have an occasion where you have more than enough passion fruit for yourself and you need to store it for long term, so I'm going to show you how the process is. So first, you're going to open the passion fruits. So cut open the top. Alright. Then you try it a bit. So the reason why we need to try a bit first is because you need to make sure that it's not spoiled. So if it's spoiled, then you can't store it. So I'll put a bit here for testing. I'm gonna try it. Okay, it's fine. So I'm gonna extract it from the fruit, get it out. Right? So get as much as you're able to, right? Then proceed to the next one. So the main process is just to identify which are spoiled and which are not. Then put it into the container that you want to store it for. You need to make sure that there's a good airtight container that you can put in your fridge. So you still need to store this in your fridge, and before that you need to have a process to segregate which ones are okay, which ones are not okay. So I'm going to proceed with the next one. Right? I'm going to test this one as well. So take out some. Very nice. Looks nice. But yeah, just to be sure. Good. So extract it out. So there's a fun fact. There's a fruit seller that tell me that if you extract your passion fruit and put it in a container like this and store in the fridge, it will never go bad. This is what the fruit seller tell me like. I guess I'll find out soon. But it makes sense that I need to take it out from the fruit itself. It will at least stop the ripening process. So yeah, that makes sense. So the fun side about getting fridge stored passion fruit is that you can get to enjoy passion fruit whenever you want, and it's nice and cold and chill. So yeah, why not? Just that you need to go through this process of actually open them one by one and testing them before you actually store them. So same thing, give it a test, see how is it, then if it's all okay, then proceed to store it. Yeah, looks all good. How's it? Looks good. Alright, so I'm gonna try it. Nice and sweet. So we're gonna extract it as before. Extract it and store it long term. But anyways, it tastes so good. I don't think it will last that long. it will just finish in the fridge so fast. So yeah. So we're gonna proceed on to the next one. Well, it might seem, I mean, this process might seem to be like, you know, quite monotonous, like, you know, doing the same thing over and over. But, you know, if you have friends or someone you can talk to while doing this, I think it can be fun. It's interesting. You get to try all this interesting passion fruit. See, or look at this, it's so juicy. You see, ooh. There's no way this will be spoiled. But you know, just to be safe, give it a test. So good. Okay. The reason why we test is because we won't want to accidentally introduce like spot one to a good batch, though that might cause contaminate the existing batch, so it can be an issue. So yeah, that's why we do it. Alright, proceeding to the next one. Oh yeah, one more thing, if you want to be extra precautionary for this, before you actually do this, you can sterilize all the utensils with hot water, boiling water. Then before it, you know, so that you don't introduce bacteria into the batch. So this is another thing you can do. Okay, this one looks a bit unusual, and I'm not sure why it looks this way. Because it doesn't look like the other ones. So this one definitely needs a test. So yeah, I'm gonna show it to you. Here it looks fine. I'm not sure why just now the seed looks all bunched up together. I'm not sure why. So give it a test. Yeah. Give it a close up. Have a look. Yeah. Alright, so let's do it. I'm not sure why it tastes a bit unusual, but I'm going to set it aside first. And then I'll still eat, just I want to store it. So another thing to be taken into consideration is that before you actually like process the fruit, you wash the outer skin, so that you know, because the skin will still like touch a bit before you enter the storage container. So we want to make sure that it's clean before it enters in, because we don't want to cultivate any bacteria as well. So that's another thing to take into consideration. Right, I'm going to proceed to the next one. Yeah, alright. Let's give it a try. This is also nice and juicy, but let's give it a try. Alright. Yeah, nice. Extract. Next one. This one is a bit concerning, but let's see. Let's see what happens. Alright. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, so juicy, so nice. Have a look. Amazing. Let's give it a try. Alright, have a look. Nice. Color is nice, but let's give it a try. This is especially sweet, so good. I think the wrinkled ones are I'll sweeten. Maybe the bread is a lot more right now. Okay, let's put it in. Good. I can feel the vitamins coming into me. So good. Alright. Let's proceed to the next one. Small one. That's good. Look at this. Even though it's small, it didn't stop me from being like nice and juicy and sweet. So, well, sweet I'm not sure, but it looks nice and juicy. Okay. Put it in. I think this one looks a bit more orangey than the rest. What do you think? Okay. Extract it. This one is, the hole is too small. So I almost mixed up just now between these two spoons. Yeah, I think it's fine if I actually use this spoon, but I think it's good practice to form, like, you know, boundaries between this process and this process, so that we can enforce it in our minds, not to mix them up together. This is what I think. What do you guys think? You can let me know that in the comments. But yeah, see? Just extract it. Yeah. All emptied out. And open. Oh, this is a big one. Let's see what's inside. It's really fun. It's like opening presents, you see? Yeah. Yeah, look at this. So beautiful. Oh, look at this. Ooh, look at this. Check this out. This is so sweet. This is so good. I'm tempted to not put this in and eat myself, but never mind. I'm gonna store it. Okay, I'm gonna open this one. Look at this. So amazing. Try it out. This one tastes a bit green. I'm not sure if I want it in with this batch. I'll still consume this, but I'll put it aside first. I just won't put it in storage. So I'm going to open one last one for the video. Then I'll proceed to do it off off camera. But you got a gist, you know. Basically, it's like, you know, to open them up, check them before you store them, and to make sure that, you know, there's a boundary between the checking process and the storing process. Then you won't, like, you know, cross-contaminate the storage batch. So yeah, okay, this one, it looks a bit weird from the outside, you see? Like there's an indentation and everything. There are times where like the passion fruit is just like this, inside is spoiled. But this one I think is fine because the walls are still intact. So if the wall is compromised, then the inside will be spoiled. And it will taste like some kind of fermented fruit. Maybe like it might smell alcoholic a little bit because it's fermented. So you know that it's bad just for spraying them. But you know, that's why we have this process to test it first before we store them. So yeah, I think the color looks fine, looks nice. But we're gonna try it. This is so sweet. So if you see like the skin is like all wrinkly, but it's not compromised, then you must definitely choose this. If your seller likes you to choose, you must choose it. This is so good. But if you press and you realize that the wall is compromised, do not choose this fruit. It's one. So there you go. So and yeah, so I'm gonna put this in now. Ooh, a lot of fruit there. Alright, so I'm gonna go off camera soon, but before that, I'm gonna show you what has been achieved so far. Check this out. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Alright, so I just opened this one since I decided to go off camera, but I thought it was so interesting and thought to share to you guys what I found. So you can see that the color is different. So I'm not sure if it's still okay, and I'm not sure if I want to mix it with my storage batch. So you can see that how this process actually is beneficial for your storage, your endeavor. So because if you found something odd, and you can then choose you want to add it in or not, and you have this process to actually taste it first to make sure that it's fine. You see like the color is different, and you can see like it's kind of odd looking. I'm not sure if I want to eat this, but okay, let's go and try. I'm gonna show you close out of it first, so you can see it's orangey and all. Yeah, so okay, I'm gonna smell it first. It tastes odd, so I'm not sure if I can eat this, but I'm gonna put it one side. But I'm not gonna mix it in with this batch definitely. So you see how this process is so beneficial. So yeah, there you go. So this is the process where you can go through to store them, and if you find this really helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much everyone for joining by. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless. Cheers. Love you all.